Good evening. My name is Josh Gabriel Cas Bastian. I'm here to present to you our simple game, rock, paper, scissors. So I'm gonna show you how exactly it works. So this is a flow chart. So the flow chart says show options and get player input. So we showed the options rock, paper, and scissors. So if you pick rock, it's gonna be 1. If you pick paper, gonna be 3. So I pick paper, so 2. So 2. Same, it's a tie, so same move. You're gonna have to ask to pay again. Yes. So you're gonna pick again. 3. You lose. And if you're tired, just put no. Print thanks for playing and end. That's all. Thank you.